Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Webull for beginners, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Webull for beginners, start by downloading the Webull app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app to begin the registration process. Select Sign Up to create a new account. You will need to enter your email address and create a secure password. After entering your information, click Next to continue. Webull will send you a verification email. Check your email inbox for the verification email and click the link provided. Return to the app and complete the registration by entering any additional required information. Next, you will need to verify your identity. Prepare to provide personal details such as your full name, address, and social security number. Once you have entered your information, submit it for verification. Webull may require a few minutes to process your information and verify your identity. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation from Webull regarding your account status. Once your account is verified, return to the app. You will now be prompted to set up a trading account. Follow the instructions to complete this process, including selecting account preferences. After setting up your trading account, you can fund it. To deposit funds, navigate to the Account tab. Select Deposit and choose your preferred funding method. You can deposit via bank transfer or other available options. Complete the deposit process by following the on-screen instructions. Once your funds have been deposited, it's time to explore the platform. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the app. You will find options for markets, stocks, and various trading tools. Consider checking the educational resources Webull offers. These resources can help you understand how to invest wisely. Finally, start making your first trades when you feel comfortable. Webull provides a user-friendly interface to guide you through the trading process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.